In life and business,
We're all looking for a result we can be proud of,
Like a magnificent building
that fulfills its purpose.
Is built on time
and on budget. So I can proudly say, I made this.
I made this.
I made this.
We know that elevators and escalators can feel like a small fraction of your project.
But they need careful consideration.
We know getting from planning to installing can be challenging.
Not to mention managing the building later on.
I want someone to make construction a more straightforward business.
Because everything affects everything. And what I need is someone to be right there when I develop it.
Plan it.
Build it.
Live it.
This is how we deliver.